And when I trimmed, I sort of trimmed to that marker. So I haven't really decided yet as far as whether I want to get to. Hey guys, welcome back. What's going on, subbies? And I want to say hello to all my newbies. And just in case you don't know what a newbie is. A newbie is exactly how it sounds. It's someone who is new, checking in maybe for the first time, maybe for the second, maybe for the third. We do not keep tabs around here of our looky-loos. We really don't. I just want all of my subbies and I want all of my newbies to come together and come on in. Okay, so for today, I know y'all checked out the title of the video, and anybody who's already initiated, y'all know we do this about every 8 weeks, because that's when I do my relaxer. Now, for all those who are already initiated and already hit to the jive around here as far as what we do in our schedule, y'all know that I relax my hair every 7 to 8 weeks. But guess what? We stretched it to about 9 this time. It's okay, you know. But I went about 9 this time. But today we're going to check in with our relaxer, you know, and keep you all abreast of how everything is going and flowing and showing as far as relaxer day and my hair and any updates and yada, yada, yada. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into it. And what we normally do is we normally go over any products I may have added to the basket of regimen or taken out of my basket of regimen as far as hair products. So, of course, y'all know that I have my holy grails, and basically that's what I used on my relaxer day. And anybody who is not familiar, my regimen video as well as the products will be down below in the description box. See, I be thinking about y'all too. All the newbies. Anyway, relaxer day went well. Like I said, I pushed it to about 9 weeks because it really rolls up on me quickly, those 8 weeks. And time just got away from me. So I did it that next week because I had just washed my hair. Then I saw the notification on my little phone that, hey, I was supposed to relax it in 2 days. Well, I had already washed my hair, so you know that's a no-go. Because, of course, you don't want to relax freshly washed hair or an already irritated scalp from washing it. So there's that. But relaxer day, again, it went well. Now, y'all know that I use Precise in regular, and we've already gone over that it's been harder for me to get my hands on unless, like person to person, like buy from a brick and mortar, because they've been restricting it to just professionals. In my area, I think I told you guys, it's just been harder for me to get unless I buy it online, like an Amazon. But I did take a looky-loo at the Sally Beauty, that not the one that's near me, because I already knew that was done for, like they don't have it. But I went out some other area and I happened to see a Sally and they had 1 box left. Not of the regular, but of the super. Just in case you guys are curious, this is what the super looks like. The Supreme, I should call it. This is the Supreme Precise. So while the regular Precise is in the white box with the purple or the magenta corner, the Supreme is blue and magenta, but it's the same setup. They give you the 2 applications and everything like that. So I did intimate to you guys that I may buy the Supreme if I'm able to get my hands on it, not to use it as Supreme, but to use half of the activator as if it were the regular relaxer, because the difference between the Supreme and the regular is the amount of the activator. So I'm glad that I got that. So now this will last me about 2 more. So this will last me for a couple more months. And then I'm back to Amazon, I guess. So, okay, so that is some of the deets on the front end. So we done did a little bit of telling, okay, about relaxer day. So let's get to it. Let's get to showing. I'm just going to show you what I'm working with, you know, how everything's flowing and going. You know, I did a little trim. Y'all know that I relax and I trim on relaxer day. So that's what I did. I trimmed it. And yeah, we're just going to get right into it. I'm just going to show you just a little bit. Just give you a little bit. Just give you a little curl here and there. Just give you a little, you know, give you a little flip maybe. I'm going to show y'all what I'm working with. Then we'll come right back. And I got a little update. I got a little update as far as, you know, how I'm feeling about some things. So let's go. So that was just a little quickie. That was just to give you an overall of the state of my hair right now. And yeah, everything is looking and feeling good. Thank goodness. Now, even though that was not an official link check, because we don't really do link checks anymore. Not really. But I just slid that one in just to let you guys know that I know I've been contemplating, or it's been brought to me, that maybe we should try for waist length. And as you can tell, or as you could tell from that little snippet, I'm still at mid-back length, which for me was about an inch or two past bra strap street. Okay, I know it's a lot, but just hold on. I know it's a lot for all the newbies as far as the little verbiage that we use around here. But we got to bra strap street, we passed that, and then now we're at mid-back length. So I just wanted to keep y'all informed that I'm still at mid-back lane. And when I trim it, that's where I trim it to. And on me, that's a little past bra strap. So maybe about 1 inch or two, or I'm not going to get technical. But on me, that's where it is. It's past my bra strap. It's past bra strap straight. You see what I'm saying? So I have been trimming to that marker. And I still haven't decided whether I'm going to get to waist length, because you know I said that was never really my goal. It seems like a lot, and you really have to be careful as your hair gets longer, because you want to sort of keep the thickness all the way through, and sometimes you can lose it as it gets longer. It can be a little tricky. So with that being said, I want to keep trimming so that it stays thick. And like I said, if it slowly gets to waist length, then of course we'll go ahead and document that. But I haven't officially decided yet. I guess I will soon, that's what I'm going to do. So there's that. And on top of that, again, those who are in the know, I colored my hair not too long ago. So it's been about 9 weeks or 8 weeks since I have colored my hair with Color Beautiful. So it's a semi-permanent, nothing harsh, nothing with peroxide, nothing like that. And it was a subdued change or shift in my color. It basically tamped down the red in my hair, and I wanted it to be a little bit more golden, it's a little more of a, not a golden, I guess a little more of a golden brown now. Again, it's very subdued, very subtle. But I think I miss my red. I think because of the warm tones in my skin, like in my face. When I look at my face, I see a lot of reds and oranges, and I do see yellow. But I think I'm missing my red, guys. I really do. I like the color, but I don't think I like it better than where I was before. I will say that. So what I think I'm going to do is, I think I'm just going to let this fade. It's faded a little bit, but because I see a little bit more of the red coming in, peeking through. But I think I'm going to let it fade out a little bit. Because at first I was going to try it again because I do like the color. But I think I'm missing the warmth of my red tones. Because I think it washes me out just a little bit. We'll see what happens. So that's how I'm feeling 8 weeks later. Okay, so I done bumped my gums long enough. We are now to the portion of the show, of the video, of this episode. You get my drift. We are now at the portion where we are going to pass the mic. I have done and said and spilled all that I can spill, and now it's time for y'all to give me the deets on what is going on with y'all. Whether you have changed from natural to relaxed or relaxed to natural, whether you tried something new, whether you found something old, whether you went to a new hairstylist or found a new hairstyle. Honey, this is your chance to share with the congregation because it is raw. It is roll call time, honey. That is your call to roll. Anybody who wants to say something, then now's your time to give your update. We got those in the congregation that just want to stay quiet and just want to keep all the details to themselves, and that is totally okay. But for the other ones, I see you. For everybody else who has been chomping at the bit, honey, just to give their little update or big update, come on down to the front, honey. Grab this microphone and let us know how you are doing in your hair journey. Again, our whole thing is healthy hair. It's great to have length, but you got to have the strength to get to the length. Meaning build up the strength of your hair, get it to a healthy point, and that length is going to come, honey. Trust me. That is a proven formula for getting what you want. Get your hair healthy, and you can take it just about anywhere. All right, so now that we had the altar call, okay, we done did it out. So we are going to give the benediction. So without further ado, that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out, okay? I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. We got some more stuff we want to chit chat about. So you gotta come back for that. So you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back.